Oh my god.
Here we go. I presume there's gonna be deep meanings in the lyrics and the...
I think so. They tend to be quite deep. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Such cool cinematography right off the bat.
What? What? How did he say that? I love how Chinese sounds, bro.
Just
Ah, interesting.
nice. We're on this factory together, basically.
There hasn't been a better genre in the world, I think, to encapsulate the feeling of being trapped inside invisible walls.
Yes.
Better than indie rock.
Well, I do think it comes from all the anxiety, right? So like the angst that you're able to build with the alternative rock, indie rock, it's so unique to the style, and I think it's like the core essence also of the genre. So right off the bat, when we were coming out of the 80s band rock, that tended to be a little too bashful, a little bit too not bashful in the sense of like being shy, but as in like bashing a lot of the sounds itself. Also the lyricism was more related to commercial stuff like girls, cars, the rock star lifestyle, and that used to be the main genre, at least in the West. When we're coming out of that era in the late 90s, early 2000s, the genre became more experimental, and therefore a lot of the anxiety and societal perspectives were included into that experimental sounds as well.
You started getting lyrics with so much more meaning rather than just at face value. I would highly encourage you, if you like this style of music, I would highly encourage you to dive perhaps a bit deeper and give Spanish alternative rock from both Spain and South America, Latin American indie rock scene right now. It's really, really rich.
But it's the lacy vocals, is it doubled up vocals as well. Gives so much space. Oh, but the riff! Oh, it's great!
It's so smart video-wise as well, because the drumming changes to some sort of disco beat, essentially, and you are getting, the parade, the party now.
Same old blues.
And funnily enough, with the bike, so listen to the arrangement in the drums. Changing rhythm. Similar how a chain of a bike makes sound when the chain is loose.
Or how you might feel when you're falling down off a bike, right?
He's fed up.
And there's the black sheep in the family, I love that.
Bale was mentioning how it's like insane.
Such great imagery.
Yeah, imagery here of... Obviously, you have the spectacle, beauty. They also, to a certain extent, seem like mermaids.
They are. There's this fantastical aspect to it. So, like in this particular thing you're seeing right before the shot, you saw the wheels of the machine kind of working. It's the representation of your childhood kind of like going away, and then you have this kid in the midst, on the mess of
It
the
all.
after party, like what happens after all your dreams and all the things of your childhood go away.
I guess
They
also
die.
it could be interpreted as well. That's a pretty good damn interpretation of it, right? Because it's so fantastical realism mixed with, you know, complexity of reality, drugs, vices, the cogs in the machine working, doing what society does.
Yes.
At the expense of what? You know, at the
Losing,
expense,
yeah,
the next
losing
generation.
and not only that, but also losing your innocence in the way. That I think that's what it represents. Like you're losing the magic. That kid no longer sees the mermaids as they were.
Nope.
You know?
Oh, and he's trying to wipe it off. Goddamn.
It's such a brilliant video.
Whoever directed this, dude,
It's a brilliant
next level.
freaking video.
Run to school, make some friends, my boy.
Oh, it's fantastic.
God, there's so much symbolism.
That is brilliant. Love the dynamics in the music.
Yeah, music-wise, it's fantastic.
Oh, that's going straight to my playlist. That's so funny. I thought he was a karaoke bar, but he's at a bus.